I'm Nermine, recipe developer, content creator, and staunch advocate of Egyptian cuisine. In this episode, I will share with you one of my favorite childhood dishes. It's called Bisella wi Gazar. Let's start by adding my canola oil to the hot pan. I'll add my onions. Stir your onions for no more than 1 minute. Just wet the onions. Add your peas. Now put your carrots. I stir everything together. Now it's ready to receive the tomato juice, my tomato paste. Add your salt and pepper. After 20 to 25 minutes, 30 minutes maximum, my stew is ready. Now it's time to try my stew of carrots and peas or Bisella wi Gazar. Take a little bite. Make sure to scoop that luscious sauce, the peas and the carrots. Delicious. The best food is simple food made with love. The peas are creamy. The carrots have a slight bite into it. And I love the sauce. Try it in your kitchen. Don't forget to leave a comment below this video. And I will be back with more interesting recipes from my Egyptian kitchen.